Hi guys, welcome to another session of Study PPC. Today we are going to look at how to create a Gmail campaign in Google Ads. A Gmail campaign is basically a type of a display campaign in which you can target Gmail accounts of your customers. If you think that you have a lot of customers who have got Gmail accounts and you would like to target them, then you can use this campaign to create Gmail ads which appears in their account. Recently, Google went through an upgrade wherein they started showing up Gmail ads in the promotions tab. Earlier to that, ads used to come in the inbox section. So now they have created a separate section called promotions where only you will be able to see all kinds of ads or advertisements being shown. So let's have a look at it, how to create this campaign. In order to create the campaign, guys, first we're going to click on the new campaign button. And this brings us to the goals page. So here you can choose the goal of your campaign, the main objective behind why you are creating the campaign. So let's say we are doing it for sales. And now you get the option to choose your campaign type. Now we're going to choose display because under which we will get the option for Gmail campaign, as you can see over here. And now you can provide your website over here. Once you provide your website, you can continue, and we are getting into the campaign settings page. Here we are going to start giving all the details regarding this campaign. You can give your location targeting, language targeting also, the languages your customers speak, you can mention that over here. And then you can choose your bidding strategy. Now, since the goal we have chosen as sales, so based on which you can choose the appropriate bidding strategy. Now, that can be maximize conversions, or you can choose target CPA, target ROS. For today, let's say we are going with target ROS, and you can give your percentage over here. You can also set the budget for this campaign. Now, when we go into additional settings, you get other more settings to add to this campaign, like ad rotation. Ad rotation is basically a setting which helps you to control the type of ads being shown to your customers. So you can choose to show the best performing ads like this, which will automatically optimize your account, and the system will find out which are the best performing ads and they will be shown more often than the others. Similarly, you can go to ad schedule, and if you want to run these ads on particular days of the week and time of the day, you can do it from here. You can give a start date and end date for this campaign. You can also customize the devices on which you would like to target these ads. So you can go ahead and do it based on the operating system, device models, and networks. You also have the option to set up your campaign URLs, which can be used for targeting purposes. And finally, you have your conversion tracking setting. So as you know, you can do conversion tracking at a account level and at a campaign level. So if you want to have a campaign level conversion tracking, you can do it from here. Once these details are filled, now we are moving into the ad group level, and here you can name the ad group. Now we are getting into the targeting part of this campaign. Now this campaign is going to be a normal display campaign wherein you will get all the manual targetings which you can do, which can be related to audience keywords, audiences, demographics. So you can go ahead and select your audiences from here like any other display campaign we have done so far. So audience keywords is basically a targeting in which you can give a list of keywords which explains your business, so that looking at these keywords, the system will try to find out the most relevant content on the website, on the Google network, and then they will be targeted and your ads will be shown on them. In audience targeting, you will get various options starting from detailed demographics, affinity, in-market and life events, remarketing, and custom audiences. So we can do some of the targetings from here as well. Think about your business, think about the kind of people who come and interact with you and do business with you. based on which you can choose their demographics from here. In this particular manner, you can also do affinity targeting, which is basically a targeting based on people's interest. So you can choose those targetings. Similarly, you can do in-market audiences, which is specifically people who are in market or most of the time online across the internet majority of the time, and they have been also segregated into various categories. So you can select those as well. And in the same manner, you can also select some specific life events which might be relevant to your business, so you can choose that. If you're planning to do remarketing, you can do it from here. You can create a remarketing list first from Audience Manager and then go ahead and link it over here. And finally, you also have the option to do custom audiences. Custom audiences is basically a concept wherein you can create various combinations of audiences, people with their specific interest, and the kind of searches which people do from here, and then build an audience set which can be used for targeting. Once this is done, you can come to demographics, and in demographics, you have the option to select your gender, age, parental status, and household income. Now we are coming into the ad creation process. You also have automated targeting. Automated targeting is basically a concept wherein you have three options, which is conservative, aggressive, and no automated targeting. Conservative automation is basically a concept wherein the system will be limited or will not be so open to target every other content on the website. It will be looking at your targeting options which you have set up, and based on which it will only go after those content which is strictly relevant to the settings you have done. Whereas aggressive is the one wherein it might go beyond it and it will try to target as much content which is somewhere relevant to your business also. So you can choose that setting over here. And then finally, we are coming to the ad creation piece where you can create a Gmail ad. So, like the display campaign we had created before, here as well, you have two options. Either you can use the Google's tool to create this Gmail ad right now, or you can get your Gmail ad created outside from your tech team, IT team, and you can just upload it in this campaign. So, let's see how we can do it with the help of the Google tool. So now you can see guys, it's a very simple interface wherein you have to provide the details on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you can see the preview of how the ad is going to look like. So the first is you can provide the business name, and then you can start providing the details. So as we said earlier also, we need to make sure that we are giving as much information as possible so that it increases the probability of people to click on our ads. You can also attach an image of your ad. The system is going to scan your website and try to find out some images. Otherwise, what we can also do is we can take some images from their stock images content. You just need to provide your website and it is going to pick up some images which are most relevant from here. Like this, you can attach an image to your Gmail ad. This is how the ad is going to look like on a mobile device. This is the closed version of it, and when people will click on it, this is how it will open. If you want to see it on computer, it is going to come up in this manner. This is the closed version, and when people click on it, it will open up in this particular format. Once you create the ad, Then you can go ahead and add it to the ad group. You also have to add a logo to this. Once you have add a logo, then you would be able to create the ad over here. In this manner, guys, we will be able to create a Gmail campaign. This Gmail campaign will be targeted to all the Gmail accounts based on the targeting which we have done today. You can see the targetings on the right, on the left hand side, on the left panel. If you go to audiences, you will find all the targetings here. Also in keywords, you will find all the keyword targeting which we did today. So like this, you will be easily be able to create a Gmail campaign. I hope this video was useful and you understand now how to create a Gmail campaign inside Google Ads account. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to write in the content section, in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer any of that. Thank you so much, guys, for today.